Hello family, welcome back to yet another edition of the Opolotivasti Solutions. It's always a pleasure having you here. To the new viewers, you are most welcome to this channel. Kindly support us by subscribing, hitting that subscription button and the notification bell as well. And in this video, we're going to be looking at keyboard replacement for this HP Probook 450 Generation 2. That's the G2 laptop. And we're going to focus on replacing its keyboard to a newer version. Let's follow through as we proceed. Thank you so much. Cheers. So starting right away, it's always best practice to always first disconnect the power battery so that you get off the electric discharge, if at all there may be. So let's start right away by removing the power battery, and we press off these two buttons and put it aside, and this is the battery. So the battery is off, we put it aside. Then we focus on unscrewing this screw with our Phillips screwdriver. So I'll get off the screw. Once it's loosened, I'll just open it up, put the cover aside. So once I'm done, I'm supposed to remove this cover also, because there are two covers, the first one that we've just removed and then the other one, which is this one. So I'll just open it gently and get it off like this, put it aside. So here we focus on three screws. We focus on screw number 1, screw number 2 and screw number 3. They all have a sign, an indication sign of a keyboard to symbolize they are keyboard screws. So let's start by removing the first one, which is this one. So remove the first one, then also remove the second one, which is here, second screw. Get to the third screw, which is here, and we get it out. So once we are done with those screws, then we get back our covers, the first cover and then the second cover. Just put them back temporarily as we flip open the keyboard. Sorry, as we flip open the laptop. So we open the laptop just like this, and then push the keyboard frontwise gently, just like this, just like this. You can even use your fingers because it's already loosened. And once you are done, once it's loose and all the connection points are out, that's when you flip open it gently. Oops, sorry, it should come out easily. So once it's done, you pull it back inside gently and then flip open gently. So here is where the connector is, the connector connecting the keyboard to the laptop motherboard, which we are also yet to open. So I will open it gently. And then get rid of the keyboard. So this is the dead keyboard that we would like to replace. Actually, it got a water spill, so we'd like to replace it with a new one. So I'll put it aside as I get my other replacement, which is this one. I would like to replace it with this one. So in the same procedure, we just put back our connecting wire, or rather the connecting line, then put it back to the connection point gently. Ensure that the connection points are fitted well, and then cover it up. If we do that, ensure that it enters fully and completes the connection. So once we are done, we just flip it back into its connection Then after, push it back inside. Push it back inside so that this connection, the actually there are 5 to 4 connection joints. You ensure that they enter inside fully and fully locked. So you push this inside so that those locks can be locked well. So once you are done, that's when you close your laptop and turn it the other side. Then remove the cover, put it aside. This cover also. Then I'll return back the screws. So we put back the 3 screws into their screw holes. So there's the first one. Then we'll get the second one also back. And then the third one also back. And tighten it very well so that the keyboard is not loose. So once we are done, we can this is too much. Let's get rid of this screw. So once we are done, we put this cover also back here. The other way around. And then get the main cover also. Then we tighten its screw. We lock it up with its screw. And then get our battery. And put back the battery. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you.